Hi. My name is Max. I hope you are doing great. As you can see, I love traveling around the world, so my friends and I decided to come to this beautiful place. Cool architecture, right? Well, English architecture has been much influenced by geometrical shapes, like cylinders, cones, and spheres. Now that I think about it, maybe we can explore these concepts. Just follow me. Well, the volume of any geometrical shape is the total three-dimensional space it occupies. Determination of the volume of geometrical shapes is essential for several applications, and there are simple and standard formulas for doing so. Consider three of the most common three-dimensional figures: cylinders, cones, and spheres. Before studying how to find the volume of cylinders, cones, and spheres, let's look at their geometries. A cylinder can be thought of as several circles of equal radii stacked upon each other. Cylinders have two associated variables, a radius r and a height h. An example of a cylinder is a can. A cone is the geometrical shape of an ice cream cone. It has a circular base and a tapering top. The two variables required to determine the volume of a cone are its radius r and its vertical height h. An example of a cone is a construction cone. A sphere is the three-dimensional equivalent of a circle in two dimensions. It has only one associated variable, its radius r. An example of a sphere is a basketball. And this are their respective formulas. Where r is the radius and h is the height. Just remember that the volume formulas for cones and cylinders are very similar, so the cone's volume is exactly 1/3 of a cylinder's volume. Now let's check the following example. Find the volume of the following cone. Well, now we should start by using the volume formula for cones. Substitute the known values and calculate the square. Always remember to substitute pi by 3.14. And the result is 25.13. Easy, right? Now, what about this example? Find the volume of the following cylinder. Remember to start with the volume formula. Substitute the known values and calculate. The result is 100.53. Now this example involves a sphere. Calculate the volume of the following sphere. Substitute the known values. 7 to the cube is equal to 343. Let's multiply by 4 pi, and divide by 3. The result is an approximate of 1437. Oh, I love ice cream. I'm wondering, what's the volume of the following? This cylindrical cup has a radius of 5 inches and a height of 10 inches. If we use the volume formula for a cylinder, we get that the total volume of the cup is 785.40 cubic inches. And the ice cream cone, which is full of ice cream, has a radius of 5 centimeters and a height of 10 centimeters as shown. Remember, the volume of the ice cream is equal to volume of the hemisphere plus the volume of the cone, and also, the radius of the hemisphere is equal to the radius of the cone. Since the height of hemisphere is 5 centimeters, then the height of cone will be 10 minus 5, and that will be equal to 5 centimeters. Let's remember to substitute the known values. And the final result is 392.85 cubic inches. Cool, right? Well, just remember, for a complete lesson plan and activity, visit snowflake.live. So, what do you say? Can you continue recognizing cylinders, cones, and spheres in real-world situations? Just remember that today you learned the concepts and characteristics of volume of cylinders, cones, and spheres, and how to calculate the volume of compound shapes. Practice a lot and you will see that you will be better at it. I have to go now. Bye. And see you next time.